So guys, I will do my brows first, since this one is just for contour and highlighting. So when doing the face, it's very important that you moisturize your face, and you apply the moisturizer all over your face. You press it in so that to absorb into your skin. After that, you go in with your primer. I'm using the Pond's Lasting Oil Primer. I apply this all over my face since I have very oily face. So if you have combination face or any other face, you just apply where you produce oil the most. And for foundation, just 2 pumps are okay. I'm using Zickel foundation. I apply this using my foundation brush. I like doing this first. After that, I'll now blend it out. So as you can see, I'm avoiding applying too much close to my eyes since I will highlight later. So I'm using a damp beauty sponge, not wet, a beauty sponge that is damp, and I apply blending out using a dabbing motion and bouncing the beauty blender. I'm dabbing so everything will now be well blended. And you should not apply foundation too close to your hairline. You should apply from the brows, then you blend it towards your hairline. And as you can see, I don't apply any fresh product on my nose since the nose creases so much. I don't apply fresh product. I use the remaining product to blend in my nose. And please don't forget to blend in your neck too. So for the highlighter, I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. And I like using a brush to apply since it gives me more control than applying directly to my face. I use the brush and I just concentrate it where I want the highlighter to stay. I use very little product, then I now spray it all over my face. Highlight beneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my chin, and my forehead. And the function of highlighter is supposed to make prominent the features in your face you want to be prominent. I like going in with my setting spray to spray in before I start blending. So I was saying, highlighting is supposed to brighten all the areas you want to highlight. I don't know whether that statement makes sense. But it's supposed to bring out your prominent area. And I like blending it out too with a damp beauty sponge because I like the effect it gives. Unlike the using a brush, but the sponge is very good. So I just concentrate on the areas I want highlighted. I'm not spreading the product all over my face, and I'm not taking it towards my hairline. If you take the product towards your hairline, it makes the face looks flat, which does not give the effect we are going for. We don't want a flat face. We just want to highlight underneath our eyes. So you should not, if it's too much, it's better you take it towards your forehead than your hairline. On your chin, to say we want our chin to be pronounced, we don't want to have double chin, so that's why we are highlighting our chin. So since I don't bake, I set in immediately after highlighting. But if you do cream contour, this is the time to apply your cream contour. But since I don't cream contour, I go in with my setting powder. I press it in immediately. I press to give you that hourglass effect. And I don't bake. And guys, I think using a loose powder, unlike a pressed powder, it's very important. It's better using a loose powder, not pressed powder. I've used both, but I like the effect of a loose powder instead of the setting powder and the pressed powder. So for contouring, I only do powder contour, and you on top, just from there, contour it down, not towards your mouth. You just stop at your chin, and you don't drag it downward. If you drag it downward, the effect will be lost. So you start from that area and use a circular motion so that you will not have that harsh straight line. It will just blend in with your highlights. And the contour is supposed to bring out shadow to cylinderize your face. Everywhere you want cylinderize, the contour is supposed to do that. If you have a big forehead, you should drag it downward so that your forehead will look reduced. I like contouring there. So for my nose contour, I go in with this angle brush and I just start immediately beneath my brow, and I draw it downward. I do same to the other side of the brows too, and I go in just one shade darker, since blending out the nose contour is actually always very difficult. So I go just one shade darker, and I'm setting the whole of my face with my finishing powder. Guys, it's very important you set the whole of your face. The other side that you did not highlight, that you did not contour, it's very important you set it. You know, when you apply, especially the foundation that is not matte, it will look, if you touch it, it will move. So setting your whole face prevents it from moving. So to the main highlighting now, I'm highlighting the tip of my nose. I blend in the bridge of my nose. I blend in my cubic bow too. And guys, don't drag it down, just there is enough. So I wanted adding more colors, a little color to my face. So I go in with a red blush, and I'm blushing just directly above my contour, directly above. And two, for highlighting, I'm using a circular motion to apply my highlights so that it will blend in into my face, to melt in into my face, to not look too artificial. And guys, I can't overemphasize the importance of setting spray. Like, it makes your makeup stay in place, it does not move. So setting is very important too. If you want your makeup to last all day, you should bat your face with a setting spray, and a good setting spray at that. And I think this Kids Beauty too, if you are low on the dollar, this Kids Beauty is actually very good. So guys, I hope you learned how to contour and highlight. And if you have any further question, please drop it in the comment section. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share with your friend that it might be helpful to her. Don't forget to subscribe. Until the next video, bye guys.